This is Tech Master. On this video, we are going to unbox the new camera I bought, which is Canon EOS R10. So I just ordered it and I just received the camera not too long ago here. So I'm just going to unbox it for you guys. So in case you order any Canon camera online from Lafnac, you can know the type of camera you will receive. So I've not touched it, I've not done anything, so I'm just going to see how it look, and yeah, without me even using it, just to see how this camera will look when you buy it without the pack, with all this whole protection that they used to come with if you buy it in a pack format. So I just bought it alone with the lens, which is 18 by 150 millimeter lens. So I will just open it now. So this is my knife is here to do the work, so I'm just going to cut it off now. Okay, so I've opened the two sides here, so I'm going to open it from here too. Just going to open it here to see. Okay, so let us see what is inside. I'm going to open it from here again too. Okay. So now I just open it. You can see it here. So we are just going to bring the camera out. Yeah, it came with a box. This is a good thing. I was thinking that it will not come with a box. So it's new, so it's not like reconditioné, like refurbished one. You can see the camera here, you can see. So this is what I bought, and we are going to open it to see how it looks, because I just want you people to know the type of camera you are buying when you buy a new camera online, in case of anything. So this is the box it came with, and yeah, you can see everything is here. I think everything will be there. Let us see. So I will open it now. I'll just open this ticket here, just to cut off the ticket to be able to open the box. Just be careful when you are opening it. In case there's any damage, it will not be like it's you that damaged the product. And yeah, so I will now open this like this. So once you bring out this, I think, yeah, you will open this up, and this is it. So this is everything that we are seeing here. So this is the equipment that came with it. So let us see. So it came with a paper like this. You can see this paper is there. So let us put this aside since we already see the carton. Let me leave it here. So it came with the battery charger, which is, this is the battery charger, and it came with a manual for you. If you are finding it difficult to use it, you can just read this manual to know what the camera is if you want. And it came with the charging ports. I think this is the cable to charge the camera if you want to charge it. And what else? It came with one battery. So I was expecting two battery because I paid 1,999 euros. I was expecting free extra battery, but I didn't get it, so it's okay. I think it came with this just to drag, just to make sure you, like, you have to attach this on the camera if you want to like carry it along or go around the city, you want to go anywhere. I think this is very, very useful. After this, I think let me remove the knife. So there's something like this that it came with. So that's kind of a cover, a protection, and this is the lens of the camera, which is here. Is where is I would say is well protected. You can see this is the lens. So it came with the lens. The lens is here, and so this is the camera itself, and yeah, so this is the camera itself. So let me open everything properly. So let us see the camera itself. So I will just put everything aside to just make sure that I have everything in with. So we can check the carton. There's nothing else. So just the cover, just the things to protect the camera. That is what that is. That. So just going to put this aside. Let us open the camera now. Wait. Yeah. So this is the camera. So it's very little, and it's very easy to carry along. For those of you who like vlogging, I think this camera will be very useful on that. So you can see it is new. So this is not refurbished or anything like that. So let us say you want to do your vlogging, you can just turn your camera towards you like this, and you can be seeing yourself while you are talking. So this is a good camera to use for vlogging. So yeah, that is one thing I want to show you. So this is here. So now this is the camera and the battery charger. So this is the battery charger I just came with. I think it's very good. I like the way they made it. So yeah, I think it's useful. And this is to carry it along anywhere you want to go, just to carry it along with you. This will be very important. Just attach it on it and you can carry it anywhere you want to go. I think this is really good. So we come to the lens. So let me open the lens. And this is the lens. So when you are using your own lens, you need to protect your lens in a very good way. So you don't need to like allow dust or dirty to be entering your lens. Just buy a protection to protect the front glass on your for your lens. So just to make sure your lens are clean and there is no dust. All these things will make your video to quality to reduce. So yeah, I think the lens is really cool. You can see the lens here, which is 18 to 150 millimeter lens. That is what come with this camera. So I paid very expensive. So it was a Black Friday deal. I used to take this offer. So this is the cable that came with it to charge it. I think is very useful, this cable. So yeah, it's the charger, so it's useful. It's not that it's very useful, but it's really useful. So when you order a camera like this, this is what you are supposed to expect. And it came with the charger, the battery. So this is the battery. I will just open that so that you will see. I don't want anything to be like in a carton. I want you to see, so that when you order anything online, when you order a new camera online without the gears that come with the camera pack, you will know what you are getting. So this is the battery, and it came with kind of a place to protect this part. You can see the head. These are four I will call it 4 eyes to plug it to the camera, so that it will boot your camera. You can start using it to capture. So I think that is everything that came with it, plus this manual. So I would say these are all things that came with the camera here. So this is the camera, this is the lens, and this is the battery, and that's the carrier. So I will call this the carrier. So this is everything that came with this camera. So I think that this is what you will get when you order Canon EOS R10 online. So yeah, this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of this Canon EOS 10, and this is what you expect when you buy it. And so that is everything I want to talk about on this video. This is just to unbox the camera that I bought. I spent a lot of money just to make sure that I start creating good quality video from my main channel, which is Gospel Ugiagbe. So I will say thank you very much, guys. Don't forget, like, share. If you want me to review this camera and talk about the functions and how you can use it and how it have been useful to me. So I want to hear that in the comment section. I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video.